Hello and welcome. Our team has developed a literacy improvement program for Cambridge Park High School entitled Literacy Boost Program for Year 8 students.
At Cambridge Park High School, staff have identified literacy as a key area for student improvement. There is currently a literacy program implemented at CPHS. However, we have proposed ways to improve this initiative. Currently, the program used during homeroom is very short, does not support staff collaboration, and does not provide students with feedback. As literacy skills are required for learning to occur in all teaching areas, it is integral that students are supported in their development and improvement of these skills.
The Literacy Boost program aims to connect professional development to the classroom by asking teachers to implement literacy strategies into a lesson every second week. Teachers are asked to adapt literacy teaching strategies to their content to promote improving in learning. The highest success rates in the program stemmed from additional activities rather than fully embedded activities.
Cambridge Park High School is a co-educational government high school located in Western Sydney. It is classified as a school of low socio-economic status due to its ISCEA value of 904, which is below average. 67% of students at CPHS were in the bottom quarter of the socio-educational advantage compared to the national distribution of 25%. 35% of the school are indigenous and have a language background other than English. Due to the school situational analysis, it is evident why the Literacy Boost program is essential for student improvement.
The aim of this action research project is to improve student literacy capabilities of Year 8 students in a dedicated lesson each week and to assist teachers to incorporate literacy strategies in lessons, thus providing teachers with the opportunity to engage in professional collaboration and prioritize disciplinary literacy activities across different key learning areas.
We will engage in an adaptation of the Literacy Boost program developed in Sweden. Lessons will be adapted by classroom teachers and taught to each Year 8 class every Tuesday in Period 1. Through this program, students will be supported in the development of literacy skills without taking time away from their content areas.
A Boost team of 3 teachers who are trained and professionally developed in literacy cross-curriculum strategies will guide classroom teachers in the adaptation and presentation of literacy lessons. Classroom teachers will then be responsible for marking the task completed by their students and providing data and feedback to the Literacy Boost team. The Literacy Boost team, in collaboration with the classroom teachers, will review the designed activities and discuss any adaptations that will be required. This program aims to ensure that students are being taught literacy strategies without taking time away from their curriculum content.
Now, here are some examples of literacy tasks that may be designed by the Literacy Boost team and ways these can be adapted into any KLAs. To help students cope with the challenge of writing, class teachers will help break down the complex writing sentences, for example, essays and extended responses, which could be done by providing sentence-level instructions, providing students with a checklist of features used in a high-quality answer, explicitly teaching writing strategies to the students, using pre-writing activities to ensure that the learners have background knowledge about the topic they are intended to write. As reading and writing are overlapping complementary skills, the students will be instructed to use writing for analyzing and thinking about what they are reading. For instance, note-taking, narration, application, and summary enhance both reading and writing.
The Literacy Boost program involves qualitative and quantitative methods of data collection to assess the effectiveness of the program. The qualitative methods include classroom observations, informal assessments based on various literacy activities, and collecting feedback from class teachers on student performance. Teachers can utilize the teacher observation checklist for gathering data in their own classes throughout the intervention. Conducting pre and post surveys is another way to effectively assess the students' literacy skills that the Literacy Boost program endeavors to promote.
Quantitative data will be measured through formative assessment, including short quiz marks, Kahoot, reading, comprehension, and narration, which provides crucial information about student understanding and their progress through the intervention process, as well as providing teachers with the opportunity to give timely and action-oriented feedback to students. In order to effectively judge the success of the program, a test will be designed and administered as a diagnostic and summative assessment task. Students will be given a mark based on the diagnostic assessment at the beginning of the semester prior to the start of the program. The test will be administered again to students at the end of the program, allowing the Boost team to compare results and collect data.
The first week would be dedicated to establishing a Literacy Boost team and setting up initial meetings with subject teachers. Further, the announcement of the Literacy Boost program to Year 8 students will take place at an assembly or suitable forum. In week 2, a diagnostic assessment will be assigned to students to understand their literacy capabilities, alongside based on student performance on assessment and prior statistics of students. Development of literacy activities across different key learning areas will take place in collaboration with the respective subject teachers.
From week 3 to week 17, the literacy tasks and activities will be implemented in classrooms. In the same duration, subject teachers and Literacy Boost teams will participate in classroom observation and conducting surveys. Subject teachers are responsible to mark literacy activities and assessments and hand them over to the Literacy Boost team during this time. From week 4 to week 18, the Boost team will then proceed to review and analyze qualitative and quantitative data. The final 2 weeks will be utilized to assess outcomes of action research and continuous improvement of the Literacy Boost program.
As elaborated by Lambert, instructional leadership should be participated in collaboration with school leaders, teachers, and community for continuous improvement of student achievement. Hence, the Literacy Boost team at CPHS will meet at the end of each semester and collaborate with the teachers who taught this program in the classrooms to discuss and analyze constructive feedback, such as what worked well, what did not, what gaps they found in the program. During this collaborative process of reviewing evidence, the gap between anticipated outcomes and evidence of research will be analyzed, and appropriate improvement to the literacy program will be advocated for the next semester by the Literacy Boost team.
Sustainability of this project and stretching of the Literacy Boost program to other year groups, initiating with year 7 and 9, will require further adaptations and approval to the proposed intervention by a wider community. Therefore, the Literacy Boost team at CHPS aims to achieve this further extension of the program through an integrated approach to review the action research scheme at the end of the year by involving parents, community members, teachers, school leaders in a general meeting.
Literacy as a cross-curriculum priority and clear influencer on student learning is therefore extremely important in any school situation. For this reason, we are suggesting the implementation of the Literacy Boost program. Year 8 students from Cambridge Park High School will benefit from the Literacy Boost program, as teachers will be given the opportunity to collaborate as a professional learning community. Through the incorporation of strategies such as the Literacy Boost program, teachers are encouraged to continuously engage in professional development and contribute to a community of practice.